Welcome guys to Visionaries Auto. It's your girl Salome here, and as you can see behind me we have this Model Y. So a lot of Tesla owners have been asking questions like, do you really need the sunshades and for what? So here I am to show you the VIC tuning sunshades, and after I finish with this video you're gonna have your answer. Do you really need the sunshades or not? So stay tuned. Now let's talk about installation. Before you start, your seat should be like this, and then your trunk should be wide open, and take your sunshades from the trunk. The first step, you have to put the black tips here, you have to put them inside here, and then when you're done with it, make sure your sunshade is parallel, and then you just push it. 2. And 3. Now that we've finished installing this, and from my lenses you can actually see the color is almost the same. It actually perfectly fits this one, the sunroof of your car. And if you listen to the sound of the material, guys, perfect and nice. And take a look at this one. It's actually steady and reliable. So guys, from my own point of view, I think this is actually the perfect sunshade that you could ever get anyway. Guys, now come and let's talk about the result of this sunshade. So in the beginning, some of you might have already forgotten how the sun was all over in the sky. It was too much. So if you have forgotten, come, let me show you. Let me give you a reminder. Does this ring a bell? You can see the sun on my face. It's way too much. But then if I close it, it's like I put a roof over my head. Sunlight 100% being blocked. So guys, can you tell me, are you satisfied with this kind of end result? If you do not have this sunshade, you personally, you actually feel so hot in your car. Talk less of this car being left outside under the sun for a very long time. It will actually, the temperature will be so high, and the interior of your car might be damaged. So guys, there is the importance of this VIC tuning. Go and get yours before we run out of stock. Of convenience when you're using it, I think VIC tuning is actually one of the best. So why am I saying so? Let's take, for example, you go on a trip, or you're driving your car, or you want to see some very beautiful scenery and the sunshade is on. You can easily open and you can easily close. Actually, you can do this with one hand. Just as you can see, I can do it with one hand, and you close it again. So that's the convenience of this part. Unlike other sunshades, it's like 2 pieces of cloth, and you just put them, and then once they're there, they're stuck until summer is over, and then you have to remove them. So if you want convenience, I think VIC tuning is actually a good option for you.